All right, very good. Thanks, Ava. We begin this hour with the latest in Washington. President Biden celebrates the breakthrough for the Inflation Reduction Act, stressing that it will not raise taxes on those making less than $400,000. It's a campaign promise he continues to repeat.
This morning, a significant step forward for President Joe Biden's domestic agenda. Democrats now planning to vote on a bill representing the largest investment in energy and climate programs in U.S. history. This budget legislation would only need 50 votes or all Democrats to vote in favor. It comes after holdout Senator Kyrsten Sinema broke her public silence Thursday night, offering support to her Democratic caucus. The president calling it a critical step toward reducing inflation and the cost of living for America's families. The bill would help reduce prescription drug costs and health premiums, invest billions in fighting climate change, impose a new minimum tax on giant corporations, and reduce the deficit by $300 billion. Sinema says Democrats had agreed to remove a key tax policy that targeted the wealthiest Americans. Sources also tell ABC News the agreement that earned Sinema's support will also include a new tax on the money that companies spend to purchase back their own stock. Majority Leader Chuck Schumer saying in a statement he believes he has the full support of his caucus. The final version of the reconciliation bill to be introduced on Saturday will reflect this work and put us one step closer to enacting this historic legislation into law. The final hurdle, Democrats need to hear back from the Senate parliamentarian, who will then decide whether this bill meets all the budget requirements to allow Democrats to bypass the filibuster and pass the legislation along party lines. Em Nguyen, ABC News, Washington.